News that's coming in with regards to the doctors' strike that is taking place across the country. The central government has given an assurance to the doctors across the country. Health Ministry has said a committee will be formed to suggest measures for ensuring safety of healthcare professionals. The ministry has now requested the agitating doctors to resume their duties in the larger public interest and in view of the rising cases of malaria and dengue across the country. So this is an olive branch being extended by the central government to the agitating doctors. Central government has given an assurance to the doctors. The Health Ministry has said there will be a committee that will be formed to suggest measures for ensuring safety of healthcare professionals. The ministry has requested the agitating doctors to resume their duties in the larger public interest and in view of the rising cases of dengue and malaria. We have seen how over the past few days across the country, from north to south, east to west, doctors have been on the streets. They have been agitating, and in fact, the IMA has also called off a strike for 24 hours. My colleague Milan, who tracks the Health Ministry, is now joining me on the story. Milan, we are seeing an olive branch being extended to the doctors. The central government is now requesting them to go back to work and has also given them an assurance.
The Union Health Ministry has said that the doctors will have possible to ensure safety, and they are saying that a committee will be formed to suggest measures for ensuring the safety of all healthcare professionals. This comes in the backdrop of doctors protesting across the country over the brutal rape and murder of the female doctor in R.G. Kar Medical College and the kind of safety issues that they're talking about. And the ministry here is requesting the agitating doctors from all across the country to resume their duties in the larger public interest, because there are rising cases of infectious problems. Diseases like dengue and malaria have also started to increase. And of course, OPD outpatient OP services are also being impacted. Elective surgeries are being impacted, which is why, doctors also being the lifeline of the healthcare medical services have been agitating, and there is very less staff and people to look after the patients in many of the hospitals across the country, because they're all standing in solidarity, which is why the government is imploring these doctors that, they should get back to work, and assuring them that the safety measures will be taken by the Health Ministry as well.
Thank you, Milan, for giving us all those details. The Health Ministry now giving an assurance to the doctors who have been on strike. They're asking them to resume their work and also have said that the committee will be formed which will look at the safety measures.